In a typical sales cycle involving a SaaS application, the prospect will likely request a trial of some sort to familiarize themselves with the product and to make sure their investment actually offers what the vendor is selling. The process usually involves an account executive making a request to a sales engineer or a software engineer for a trial account to be activated with the right configuration. Depending on the application, this could be a tedious task with a few clicks, or it could be a complex task that only someone intimately familiar with how the in-house system works. Either case, we can agree that it disrupts the individual who's being asked to perform the task and who's likely trying to meet their own deadlines. What if the sales team could simply submit a form on Slack, or maybe submit some information in Salesforce, which could automatically provision a trial account? Better yet, why not also inform the requester if the account already has an active trial ongoing and the number of days remaining? How does Tonkean allow for custom data sources like a proprietary trial system to be a part of an automated process without needing any sort of engineers? Let's dive in and see. Tonkean is a UI-agnostic platform that allows IT administrators to connect different tools, systems, and databases while dictating the level of access that the business team needs. In this case, the admin has added an in-house system hosting trial account information as a custom data source with the proper authorization credential needed to provide communication with it. If I hop to the Ops module, you can see that the steps are now automated involving this data source. Any new request coming from a Tonkean form will result in a Tonkean determining if the account already exists in the system, and if it does, it will notify the requester with the relevant details. If the account doesn't exist, the request will then go to a manager for approval, and if approved, the trial system gets updated and a new trial account becomes active. Because Tonkean is context aware, if at any point it sees that a request has become idle for more than 3 days, it'll start to follow up with the manager to make sure nothing falls through the cracks and ensure that sales velocity isn't impeded. Get in touch with Tonkean and see for yourself through a trial why enterprises trust Tonkean to increase their team's productivity.